I guess technically day 3.
We missed the first 2 days.
Yeah, didn't record a damn thing on the first.
In the beginning,
days.
God said, "Let there be light."
We met this
didn't say
gentleman.
video.
We met this gentleman down in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Our friend Dan's.
Hello.
We played the Turf Club last night.
I broke my pedal in the first song.
Yeah, first song
of tour.
First show. The Birds in Row gentlemen seem like sweethearts already.
Sweethearts, huh?
They love hugging, which I love.
They made it snow.
We're all just like hugging. Watch, I'm hugging Scott.
I hate being touched.
Here we are back in the van 3 years later.
We're back in the van, baby!
We're here on the Beat Kitchen here in Chicago.
We get the beats. We're gonna get the beats going when we get the beats.
There's no point with him here to even try to help
We're gonna get the beats.
Shane's fixing his kick pedal because it broke.
We're
First song, first
single.
show of the tour.
You think his pedal went away?
We're gonna get some food.
We get the beats in the kitchen. We're in Chicago. We're gonna get beats and.
We blew it. We went to McDonald's again and we didn't realize there was 2 pancake houses over
But they're not the international kind. One is Pancake House Restaurant. The other one is Pete's Pancake House.
We don't even know where we are. We're somewhere in, I think, still Illinois.
We're over by Mulch, Illinois.
There's a mall right there.
Mulch, Illinois.
Dwight, Illinois.
Oh.
We're near Dwight, Illinois.
So, we played Chicago last night. It actually went really well.
It was all right. You know, like went pretty well. Like I saw.
We're kings of the world.
Now we're off to St. Louis. We're playing the football tonight.
Well, you know what that means. Effed up beyond all.
So we haven't done any cool eating yet on this whole short trip.
We're gonna cool eat. I'm ready to cool eat. I'm here to watch you guys eat meat. Well, cool eat.
Cool treats.
So we're heading over to
sides.
Poppy's Smokehouse here in St. Louis. Get some St. Louis/Memphis style barbecue.
I'm gonna eat Barbie.
We've really only did like a McDonald's refresher this morning because we needed coffee and we were kind of in the middle of nowhere when we woke up. So we're pretty stoked to get some real food. Still brain happy.
Okay, alright, well that sounds good.
You get the Frito pie?
We're gonna get the 2 meats.
Me too. 2 meats.
Scott, what do you think?
I might get the turkey breast sandwich.
It arrived so quickly I didn't even have time to think. Barbecue sauce rundown.
Jane's sweet sauce. Pappy's original. Carolina vinegar. And hoodoo sauce. I'm guessing that's the hot one.
Ooh, the sauce. I knew a good sauce, like
You already mentioned Jane's sweet sauce? Yes, I did.
oh yes, and the hoodoo sauce.
Is it hoodoo sauce?
Hoodoo sauce?
Hoodoo sauce.
Not the hoodoo sauce.
Nothing.
Well, it's not here yet.
You have nothing.
It's coming.
What'd you get?
Coming.
What'd you get?
Some stuff. I got some beans. I got some slaw. I got maybe some bread. I have no idea. You know, things. I'm all sides. I got many different sides today.
I know, right?
Big ass potato.
This is what it's all about. This is the dream, right? If you dream of potatoes, right?
feels kind of weird because we started this run off not really having time to do this, and this is one of the most important parts of touring, at least for me.
Are you talking into the camera right now?
Yeah. Well, not with
camera.
my face. It's
Oh,
looking at you.
So you start talking. 30 seconds. What's that?
Yeah. I'm gonna get some corn.
I got you something with the napkin.
Big groove. Now I'm only doing one side.
It's a one-sided match.
One side is clean.
It's
the
just
other
like
side just
filth. Who's that filthy man?
only
And they
half.
turn to the side, yeah, and they're like, who's that?
He's dignified. Oh no, he is homeless.
Getting there, almost done.
The corn was better than any corn that I've ever had in my entire corn-fed life.
So we got barbecue. How do you rate it?
2 thumbs up.
I farted, but it was a good fart, like a genuine, like, it to love.
2 thumbs up.
2
Garrett.
thumbs up. On to the next. Up in Memphis, and we are already going for fried
We're going to
chicken.
fried.
At
And then,
Gus's famous, world famous fried chicken.
and we can also go to the spirit shop next.
Old Dominic's Distillery.
They also got a pipe over there that I want to take a picture next to. Get a look at that pipe. So this pipe. There's a very important pipe here. This pipe is actually where the song Pipe Dream comes from. May I get you to take a photo of me next to the pipe? You can continue filming if you'd like. All right.
Fried chicken. It's not showing.
Where's Graceland? Is it in Memphis, Tennessee? Is Graceland here in Memphis, Tennessee?
I don't know.
I'm going to Graceland.
Nashville.
Nashville, Graceland. But I think it's like, is it?
Gus's fried chicken. Let's get in this. It was very good, wasn't it?
I can barely breathe.
It's all gone. Didn't really film much.
You guys have tins.
I'm skipping. Oh God. 1, 2.
You're gonna hurt somebody.
The double.
We haven't been here in almost 10 years, so thanks for coming out. It's been that long.
Okay, ready?
this is not a photo. This is
It's
video.
not a video, is it?
It is a video.
Oh, you piece of
He's
shit.
done this before. He's done this to us too many times. We hate you, Garrett.